Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP19 Assess Chapter 2 H2E Assessment Drama Club. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assessment, many more courses. Question number 1 is that start, assess, open the file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download assess file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download it easily from your portal. You can contact through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that open the donation XLS workbook, examine the data and close the workbook. You will import the Excel workbook that contains donation information into the database. Click the external data tab and click new data source, point the from file in import and link group, and then select Excel, navigate to select the donation XLS workbook to be imported a new table in the current database. Basically, in this question, we will have to import a Excel file where you saved in your PC. Okay, moving on, assess file, click on external data tab, click on new data source, click on from file, click on Excel file, click on Excel file, and you can browse file, click on browse, and you can browse file where you saved in your PC. Okay, click on donation, then press OK, open, click on open. Okay, then again OK. Ensure the first row contain column heading and selected, set the donation entity index option to yes, then press again OK. Okay, then next, duplicate select donation entity as the primary key when promoted and accept. Okay, and yes no duplicate select, click on yes no duplicate. Okay, then next, okay, then again next, then next, and then finish it, and then close it. Okay, this question is completely done. Now moving on, next question is question 3. Change the data type of donation ID field to short text in design view of donation table. Set the field size of donation ID to 5. Set the field size of donation as long integer. Okay, double click on donation and then click on table field and click on view, design view, and then you can short text to design view donation. Set the field size of donation ID to 5. Okay, field size of donation ID to 5, donation ID, and then click on field size. Data type is long integer, short text, data type is short text, and then field size is 5. Donation ID, short text, design view of donation table. Okay, and then field size of donation ID to 5. Field size of donation ID to 5. Set the field size of donation ID as long integer, save the change and open the table. Okay, field size 5, and then you can select long integer, field size is long integer, and then open the table in datasheet view, close the table. Open the table in datasheet view, save and close it. Save and close in datasheet view. Okay, then close it. This is done now. Now moving on question number 4. In question number 4, Create a new table in design view. Add the following fields in design view as set as properties. Add specialist. Add the primary key field as volume ID with the auto number data type and number assigned to a new volume volunteer activity. Set the caption properties to volunteer ID. Okay, first we basic in this question we will have to add a new primary key field as a volume ID. Click on create and then click on volume ID without number ID. Create a table design. Okay, first name is primary key field as volume ID. Okay, create a new table in design view. Add the following field or first field is that volume volunteer ID. First field is that volunteer ID. Okay, and then data type is that auto number data type, and then second field is that number assigned to new volunteer activity, and then tab auto number data type, and then number assigned to primary key. Okay, click on primary key and then number assigned a new volunteer activity. You can copy this and then description is number assigned to a new volunteer activity. Okay, set the caption properties to volunteer ID. You can copy this volunteer ID and then you can set caption. Click and then caption is that volunteer ID. Okay, this is done now. This question is completely done. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question 5. Add donor ID with the number data type and donor volunteer as the description. Set the caption properties to donor ID and then record properties to yes. Okay, basically in this question we will have to add a new data type, new donor ID, new data type. Okay, you can copy this donor ID. You can add second field is that donor ID. Second field is that donor ID and then data type is number data type. Okay, and donor volunteer as the description, and you can add this description as donor volunteer. Okay, description. Set the caption properties to donor ID and then we will have to set the caption properties. You can click donor ID and then you can add caption properties as dash donor ID. Okay, and then required properties to yes. Click on donor ID and then go to the required properties and click yes. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Question 5 is that question number 6 is that add volunteer data with the data type. Set the caption properties of volunteer data. Basically in this question we will have to add a new field volunteer data and then data type is daytime. Okay, switch the data sheet view. Oh, sorry, caption properties to volunteer data. You can add now caption properties to volunteer data. You can copy this volunteer data and then we will have to add a caption properties. Okay, click on volunteer data and then go to the caption properties and then you can caption volunteer data. Okay, now switch to datasheet view and save the table as volunteer dates when promoted. Okay, we will have to switch to datasheet view. Okay, go to view and then go to the datasheet view, then press yes and you can change the name of table as volunteer dates. When promoted, you will enter data into the table later close the table. Okay, you can copy this name voluntary dates and then save the table as voluntary dates. Okay, rename this table name as voluntary dates. Okay, then press OK. This is done. Now you will enter data into the table in a later step. Close the table. Okay, right click on this and close the table. Save and close the table. Okay, this is done. Now you can see this. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 has 11 points. Okay, you will create the relationship between the table using the relationship window. Add all 3 tables to relationship window. Identify the primary key field in the donors table and join it within foreign key count spot in the related donation. Related donation and voluntary data and voluntary dates table. Select the enforce relational integrity and cascades. Update related field check boxes. Save and close the relationship window. Okay, go to the table tools, click on relationship, click at tables. First table is that add the 3 tables to relationship. Okay, donation, and second table is that voluntary dates. Okay, and third field is that first table is donation, second table is voluntary dates, and then third table is that okay donor ID. Okay, enforce refreshal integrity and cascade update related field. Press OK. Okay, then cross it. Relationship will be created. Related fields check boxes. Save and close the relationship window. Okay, donor ID, donation ID. Close the relationship window. Click on close. And yes, no, sorry, press on no. This is done now. Relationship will be created and open in datasheet view and then primary key. Okay, again primary key and then close. Click on no and donation. Okay, cassette update field checkbox is save and close the. Right click on close it. Okay, and voluntary dates. Right click on this and close it. This is done now. Try save and close it. Okay, relationship will be created. All 3 tables. Okay, this question is completely done now. Now moving on question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Tables. First table is donation. Sorry. Second table is donors. Third table is voluntary dates. We will have to create a relation between 3 tables. Okay. Second table is donor. Okay. Identify the primary key field in donation table. Join with us foreign key. Okay. Okay. Enforce refreshal integrity. Click on enforce refreshal integrity. Okay, then cassette user related field. Okay, then click on create. Click on create. Relationship will be created. You can see this. I have done this. Volunteer ID. Click on volunteer ID. Click on donor ID, and then click enforce refresh integrity cassette update related field, and then click again create. Relationship will be created. Okay, save and close the relationship window. Okay, right click on save and okay. You can see I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to do it for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen and given in the first slide of my this video. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, finance, economics, writing, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A plus grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course. I am handling many students' courses from Canada and USA and UK. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.